Meet Magazine Luiza, a Brazilian AI influencer with 8M plus Instagram followers, huge brand deals, and non-stop viral posts. Then there's Lil Michaela, 2.4M followers in campaigns with Prada, Samsung, and Calvin Klein, earning more from one deal than many creators make in months. Itana Lopez, 374K, is a pink-haired digital model already landing serious partnerships. Immigram, 389K, the quirky Japanese virtual star, shows up in IKEA ads, Puma campaigns, and Vogue. Shudu Graham, 238K, is the world's first digital supermodel, featured by Fenty Beauty and top magazines. Kenza Liley, 190K, is a Moroccan AI creator working with luxury brands. And Rosie Graham, 170K, is South Korea's first virtual influencer booked for ads, sponsorships, and fashion shoots. Here's the twist. None of them are real. They're AI generated, and they're making tens of thousands per month from brand deals, sponsorships, and product placements. Sounds incredible, right? But most attempts fail. Faces change from post to post, outfits are hard to swap, walking looks stiff, and expressions feel fake. Now, imagine the opposite. Natural speech, smooth body language, instant outfit changes, lifelike expressions, and a perfectly consistent face in every post. That's exactly what I'll show you today. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to generate ultra-realistic influencer images, swap faces in seconds, create lip-sync videos with voiceovers, and add audio effects with AI. No advanced editing required. Stick around to the end for pro tips on going viral with Reels, boosting reach, and landing high-paying brand deals. Let's dive in. So first, we need to create our own influencer. Now in the market, you'll find plenty of paid tools that ask for money the moment you log in. But I've brought you a tool that lets you create your model completely free, and its name is APOB. Yes, APOB is an influencer-making tool that gives you 80 free daily credits on your first login. Using these credits, you can generate unlimited models without spending a single penny. Once you log in, you'll see this interface. Here, you need to click on AI Influencer Generator. If you just want to create a random influencer, you can click the random button, and it will generate a male or female model for you. But since we want to design our own custom model, we'll select the gender first, then the age, and then the country.
So I'm gonna select the age 23 for my model. Now in the country tab, you'll see a list of all the countries. So I'm gonna pick Brazil, and you can choose the one that you like.
After that, you'll see detailed options for your model. Things like eye color, hairstyle, and more. You can pick everything according to your choice. Once you're done selecting, just click the Generate button. It only costs 10 credits, and within seconds, your model will be ready. See how amazing this is? With APOB, you can create as many models as you like. The daily limit is 80 credits, which means you can generate up to 8 models every single day, for free. Now that our model is ready, what if we want to change its clothes or place it in a different setting, like enjoying a weekend at the beach, or it's shopping time? How do we do that? For this, we're going to use another free tool called Nano Banana. You've probably already seen plenty of YouTube videos about how amazingly this tool works, and today we'll be using it in our video. So first, log in with your Gmail and search for Google AI Studio. Open the very first link you see. Once inside, you'll get an interface where you need to click on Try Nano Banana. Next, click on the plus icon and select your model. Now you have two options. You can simply give a prompt to change the outfit and location, or if you have a brand deal where the client wants your model to wear a specific outfit, you can handle that too. Here's how. Just click the plus icon again and upload a photo of the required dress. After that, type this prompt.
Make this girl wear this dress in a way that looks completely realistic. Within seconds, Nano Banana will generate your image and it will look so real you won't believe it's AI.
You can see how perfectly it has fitted this t-shirt onto the body. It looks completely realistic, right? Now this was just one example of dress changing. Let's try something different, placing our model in a specific location. For that, we'll again go to Nano Banana, and this time I'll enter this prompt. The girl is sitting at a cozy modern cafe, holding a cup of coffee with warm lighting, wooden tables, and blurred people in the background. Natural light shines through the window. And just look at the result. Absolutely amazing. Now let's try another example. As you can see, Nano Banana not only keeps the model consistent, but also generates expressions that perfectly match the environment.
Now that we've generated our model's images, the next step is to convert those images into a video. For this, there are several tools available in the market, such as VO3, Kling AI, and Hailuo AI. If you already have a subscription to any of these tools, you can simply use them to generate videos of your models. However, my recommendation is to use Kling AI because it's a simple, free tool that gives you 172 daily credits, which you can use to generate videos. All you need to do is go to the Kling AI website and create your account. After logging in, you'll see an interface where you need to select the video option. At the very top, there's a Models button. Click on it and choose the latest version. Next, upload the image you want to convert into a video. Here you'll need to be a little technical. For example, if you want to create a vlog of your model, you'll need both a starting scene and an ending scene. This means your video should begin with one image and finish with another. To do this, simply click on the End Scene button and upload the image you want to end your video with. But in this case, I'll keep it simple and generate just a basic video, so I'll leave that option as it is. Normally, Kling AI is powerful enough to analyze your image and automatically generate a suitable prompt. But if you'd like to customize it, you can enter your own prompt in the prompt box. After that, select the video duration, press the Generate button, and within a few minutes, your video will be ready.
As you can see, these are the same images we generated earlier, and now they've been transformed into a perfect video. Pretty cool, right? Using this method, you can easily make hundreds of thousands every month, but the key is consistency. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.